Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video we try to see introduction to artificial intelligence. These are the basic content that we cover in chapter 1, which are artificial intelligence, foundation, history and evolution, key ideas and also application of AI, especially in medicine. So these are the overall content that covered in chapter 1, but on this video we'll see only what is intelligence. Our first question: what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence composed two basic words which are artificial. Artificial means it's not natural or it's man-made, and intelligence means the power of thinking or thinking of power, right? The first one, which are intelligence means the ability of a system. There is a system, that system ability to calculate something and also a reason in order to decide, in order to judge. It has its own reason. So the ability of a system which are reason out for every tasks, and also passive relationship and analogy, in a sense understanding the relationship of one thing to another thing. Learn from experience. It may be from the existing system or it may be the previous within the data and rule. Learn from experience. Store and retrieve information from memory. Solve problems and comprehend complex idea, in a sense understanding the more complex idea. Use natural language fluently. A simple example: I do this tutorial with the language of natural language, which are English. So seems like for us there is a system which are intelligence. That intelligence system understand and speak natural language fluently, seems like for us, and classify. For instance, if we give something, for instance, if our data is a human being and also two diagonals of this human being, one is patient and one is healthy, so classify or category patient to patient and healthy with a category of normal. So the system has the ability of classify and generalize. Just there is an input, based on that input generalize, seems like for us, and adapt a new situation. Those things, if one system has the ability to calculate, reason, perceive, learn from experience, classify, generalize, comprehend complex idea, and also speak natural language fluently, we call it intelligent, right? We call it intelligent or intelligence. Type of intelligence: there is some common intelligence. The first one, which are linguistic intelligence. Linguistic intelligence means that the ability to speak, recognize, use of machine of phonology, speech sound, syntax, grammar and semantic meaning. Those are the basic characteristics of linguistic intelligence. A simple example: narrator and operator. The second type of intelligence, which are musical intelligence, it studies about the music, right? The ability to create, communicate with, understand the meaning made of sound, understand of the pitch and also a rhythm, we call it musical intelligence. A simple example: musician, singer and composer. Those are one part of musical intelligence. The third type of intelligence, which are logical mathematical intelligence, it's composed of two basic words. One is logical, it understands the relationship, and also there is a mathematical. So this intelligence, it includes engineers, coders, scientists and also psychologists, right? So logical mathematical intelligence means that the ability of use and understand the relationship with the absence of action and objects, understand the complex and abstract idea. Just it understand the more complicated and abstract ideas. Mathematician and scientist, it categorizes under logical mathematical intelligence. The fourth type of intelligence, which are spatial intelligence. This is spatial intelligence that have the ability to perceive visual and spatial information, and it can change, recreate visual images without reference to the object, construct 3D images and also to move and rotate them. Example of spatial intelligence, which are map reader, astronomist and physicists. The fifth type of intelligence, which are body. The ability to use complete and part of the body to solve the problem or fashion products. We call it bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Player and dancer are the example of bodily kinesthetic intelligence. The sixth type of intelligence, which are intrapersonal intelligence, it talks about one person, right? So the ability to distinguish among one's own feeling, intention, and motivation. The last type of intelligence, which are interpersonal intelligence, this is different from this one. This one is one person or only talks about itself, but this one it talks about the others or the mass, right? This indicates or the interpersonal intelligence talking about the ability to recognize and make a distinction among others people feeling, belief, and intention. A simple example, mass communication and interviewers, those are one part of interpersonal intelligence. Thank you for your time. This is all about intelligence. If you have any question, comments, and suggestion, please write on the description box. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like, share my YouTube channel. Bye bye.